Most young drummers believe their career begins and ends behind a kit. They think if they just practice their paradiddles harder, learn more chops, and shed longer hours, success will eventually find them. Here's the hard truth for 2026. Being a great drummer is now just the entry fee. It's only 10% of the game. And if you're still waiting for the phone to ring for the next £100 or $100 gig, you're not just underpaid. You're positioned at the bottom of the music industry food chain. But what if you could flip the script? What if your rhythm became a brand and your skill became a business? That's what today's video is about. Welcome to MTD Global, More Than a Drummer. Over the past year, through the MTD Millionaire Drummer Series, we've sat down with global touring drummers, producers and musical directors, industry powerhouses, creators who've turned music into scalable businesses. And we extracted the exact patterns they use to move from just a drummer to industry power player. By the end of this video, you won't just have a better groove, you'll have a roadmap. Let's get into it. Lesson 1. The trap of the pure drummer. Diversification. One truth came up again and again in every interview. Sustainability requires diversification. Think about it. If all you do is play drums, you're only valuable when there's a stage. No stage, no paycheck. But the moment you add production, audio engineering, musical direction, tech management, content creation, you move from replaceable to indispensable. The mindset shift is to stop asking, how can I get more gigs? Start asking, how can I add more value to this project than anyone else? Think of your transferable skills as a drummer. You already have more business potential than you think. Coordination and control, the backbone of great producers. Sonic awareness, foundation of audio engineering. Timing, the heartbeat of every successful project. In 2026, the drummer who can also solve problems is the drummer who gets the big contract. Lesson 2. The 5-person rule. Networking and perspective. This one might sting. If your 5 closest friends are all drummers, you're unintentionally limiting your ceiling. One guest in our series shared something powerful. His breakthrough didn't come from a drum clinic. It came from a mentor who told him to change his circle. When you hang around only musicians, you talk about sticks. You argue about gear. You complain about gigs. When you hang around entrepreneurs, investors, strategists, you talk about assets, systems, leverage. So step outside the rehearsal room. Learn business structures, marketing, branding, negotiation from people who don't even know what a molar technique is. That outside knowledge is what lets you outthink the competition inside music. Lesson 3. The business of you. Branding and digital identity. In 2026, your smartphone is your stage. The gatekeepers are gone. You don't necessarily need a label. You need a brand. Every successful drummer we studied treated themselves like a business, built communities, documented their journey, became visible. 3 rules for 2026. 1. Stop scrolling, start creating. Your phone is not entertainment. It's marketing infrastructure. 2. Identify your USP. Are you the versatile session drummer, the community builder, the creative director, the educator? If you can't explain your value in one sentence, the market won't remember you. 3. The integrity standard. In a world of lateness and excuses, be 10 minutes early. Deliver 10% more than promised. Excellence is the loudest marketing you'll ever do. Lesson 4. Adapting to the new reality. Here's something most drummers don't want to hear. The music part is only 10% of the industry, and it's often the lowest paid. The other 90%? Education, media, digital products, consulting, storytelling, community. The drummers winning today aren't just playing. They're teaching, creating, collaborating globally, building legacies. Don't just be called to play. Be called because the project cannot succeed without your insight. That's how you move up the value chain. 2026 is coming fast. You have 2 choices. 1. Be a drummer who plays for the paycheck. 2. Be an entrepreneur who uses music to build a life. Talent is just the seed. Integrity, diversification, and branding are the water and sunlight. Before this video ends, write this down. 3 skills you will learn this year that have nothing to do with hitting a drum skin. That list will change your future. If you're ready to stop playing drums alone and start playing the game, hit subscribe. MTD Global is going deep into the business of music, entrepreneurship, branding, visibility, and life beyond the kit. All year long, let's turn those beats into business. This is MTD Global, more than a drummer. We'll see you in the next one.